Love watching bukkake. I mean, like, I don't know if I personally would ever do it.
Brad, hey!
Yo.
Brad is here. Quick, make my hair look drunk.
Check it out. Tammy's already drunk. Cool.
The beacon was activated. Who is in danger?
Grandpa!
Bird person!
I am pleased there is no emergency.
Oh, there's an emergency, all right. Emergency? When's the last time you got laid, Purrs?
It has been a challenging mating season for bird person.
Then it's time to get your beak wet tonight, playa. Go have some fun out there, bird person.
Oh man, how many people did you invite, Rick?
You're gonna get laid tonight.
I like your feathers.
They are designed to attract the attention of the female.
It's working.
Tammy, I should let you know, I just got out of a highly intense soul bond with my previous spirit mate.
I'm not looking to get into a soul bond. I'm just looking for...
I believe bird person can arrange that.
Hey, Summer. Haven't.
Next time I party, I'm just gonna focus on getting totally wrecked. You're so wise.
May I assist you with that?
Sure, yeah, thanks.
Morty, do you know what wubba lubba dub dub means?
That's just Rick's stupid nonsense catchphrase.
It's not nonsense at all. In my people's tongue, it means, I am in great pain. Please help me.
Well, I got news for you. He's saying it ironically.
No, Morty, your grandfather is indeed in very deep pain. That is why he must numb himself.
Come on,
Bird person.
Come on, bird person. Rick's not that complicated. He's just a huge asshole.
Then why do you care so much if you are no longer allowed to continue on your adventures together? It appears fate has presented you with an opportunity to free yourself of Rick forever.
You know what? You're right. I shouldn't even care. This is probably the best thing that could have happened to me. I'm sick of having adventures with Rick.
My people have another saying, Gubba nub nub do raka. It means whatever lets you sleep at night.
Guys, Mom and Dad are like right around the corner.
This is your moment, Morty. Choose wisely.
Tammy!